Please like, share and subscribe our channel to learn and enjoy our free online educational videos from class nursery to 10. Please click the bell icon to get all new updated videos.
Lesson 2. Exponents. When a number is written in the form of a, n, the number is said to be written in the exponential form. Here, a is called the base of the number and n is called the power or exponent. And we read the number as a raised to the power of n. For example, 2, 8. Here 2 is the base and 8 is the exponent. And we read the number as 2 raised to the power of 8. When we divide a number by its base, the exponent or power of that number decreases by 1. Thus, we have 10 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 10 equal to 1 upon 10 divided by 10 equal to 1 upon 100 equal to 10 raised to the power minus 2. We can now conclude that 1. If a number a raised to the power n is divided by a, its base, we get a raised to the power n minus 1. In other words, when a number in exponential form is divided by its base, the value of the exponent decreases by 1. Conversely, decreasing the exponent of a number by 1 is the same as dividing it once by its base. 2. For any non-zero integer, a raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to the power m, where m is a positive integer. And a raised to the power minus m is called the multiplicative inverse of a raised to the power m. Writing a number in exponential form. Write 81 in exponential form. Writing 81 as a product of its prime factors, we have 81 equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Thus, 81 is equal to 3 raised to the power 4. Laws of exponents. 1. If a raised to the power n is equal to 1, then n is equal to 0. Since a raised to the power 0 is equal to 1 for all values of a, except when a is plus 1 or minus 1. 2. If a is plus 1, a raised to the power n is equal to 1 raised to the power n is equal to plus 1 for all values of n. 3. If a is minus 1, a raised to the power n is equal to minus 1 raised to the power n is equal to plus 1 if n is even, and a raised to the power n is equal to minus 1 raised to the power n is equal to minus 1 if n is odd. For example, minus 1 raised to the power 6 is equal to minus 1 multiplied by 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 minus 1 equal to plus 1. Minus 1 raised to the power 5 is equal to minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Example, 3 raised to the power minus 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power minus 2 is equal to 3 raised to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 raised to the power 3, and 3 raised to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3 raised to the power 2. 3 raised to the power minus 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3 raised to the power 2 equal to 1 upon 3 raised to the power 3 plus 2 equal to 1 upon 3 raised to the power 5 equal to 3 raised to the power minus 5. Also, we can say that for any non-zero rational number a, where a is equal to p upon q and q is not equal to 0. 1. P upon q raised to the power m multiplied by p upon q raised to the power n is equal to P upon Q raised to the power m plus n, where m and n are integers. 2. P upon Q raised to the power minus m is equal to P raised to the power minus m upon Q raised to the power minus m equal to 1 upon P raised to the power m upon 1 upon Q raised to the power m equal to Q raised to the power m upon P raised to the power m equal to Q upon P raised to the power m. 3. P upon Q raised to the power m divided by P upon Q raised to the power n equal to P upon Q raised to the power m minus n. 4. P upon Q raised to the power m whole raised to the power n equal to P upon Q raised to the power mn. 5. P upon Q raised to the power m multiplied by R upon S raised to the power m equal to PR upon QS raised to the power m. 6. P upon Q raised to the power m upon R upon S raised to the power m equal to P raised to the power m upon Q upon R upon S equal to PS upon QR raised to the power m. 7. P upon Q raised to the power 0 equal to 1. Example. Simplify. 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus 2 minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power minus 3 divided by 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 3, and write the answer as a rational number. Solution. 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus 2 minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power minus 3 divided by 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 3 equal to 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus 2 minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power minus 3 divided by 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 3 equal to 4 raised to the power 2 minus 3 raised to the power 3 divided by 2 raised to the power 3 equal to 16 minus 27 divided by 8 equal to minus 11 upon 8. Use of exponents to express very small numbers in standard form. Very small numbers can be expressed in standard form using negative exponents and very large numbers using positive exponents. Example. Express 0.000006 in standard form. Solution. 0.000006 is equal to 6 upon 10 lakh equal to 6 upon 10 raised to the power 6 equal to 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus